Welcome to Café Racer Garage. I am Dan, giving you the skills and inspiration that you need to build a motorcycle that you can be proud of. And today we are working on the Honda CX500 Scrambler Towpeg for the gear selector. I went out for a ride the other day and unfortunately somehow or other it had come off. I don't know where it went, but this has given me now an opportunity to make a custom one. And I'm gonna try and match it to the color of the tank. So let's give it a go, let's get into it. So when I was making this, I actually made a bit of a mistake. I was meant to only drill it through 3/4 of the way and leave this end solid so that I could put that in there like that, tap a hole through there, and then I would be able to put this through there like that to hold it in place. That was the original plan. I guess I could still fix this, but I'm not really excited about it. It kind of needs a smaller hole at one end to run the bolt through. So I ended up making this end cap, but I'm still not real happy with it. Whenever I'm tapping, I always try and use something for reference. In this case, it would be the drill chuck, but just something to keep you nice and straight at the very beginning. After that, you should be all good. It doesn't really make a difference with something like this, but it's just a nice habit to continue. Although the O-rings do look kind of cool, they're not going to last very long. They will perish and they'll get hard and brittle and they'll just snap off. So I want something that's going to last a bit longer. I was experimenting with a bit of hose, but this is reinforced. If you're going to do this, you probably need some silicone hose so it has a bit of stretch to it without the reinforcing. But even then, I don't know if you're going to get it over something like that. You're asking a lot of that tube. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I don't want to use these O-rings. I want to come up with something different. So this is actually oil-filled nylon. I bought this quite a few months ago just purely because of the color it is. It matches the tank perfectly. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I knew I'd find some little project for it. And I guess here we are. So what I'm actually doing at the moment is making some little plastic bands which are going to be replacing the O-rings. This is high density polyethylene plastic. So it's quite strong stuff, but I don't know how strong it's going to be when it's that thin. So I don't really see this working too well, but I thought it was worth a shot. Well, I'm really happy with the end result. It matches the tank. It's taken me a couple of variations to get to the one that I like, but that's all part of the game and learning and getting to use my lathe, which I really love doing. So it's a win-win all round. So be sure to let me know what custom motorcycle parts you would love to make, whether you do or don't have the skills and tools to do it. Leave me a comment and let me know. I can't wait to go through them. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the custom stainless chain guard I did on my CB750 and also the other foot pegs that I've done on the CX500.